Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload and manage files in Shopify. Navigating Shopify to handle your files can initially seem a bit daunting, but with a little guidance, you'll find it's quite straightforward and user-friendly. Before we jump in, it's helpful to remember that Shopify's file manager is more than just a storage space. It's the backbone of your images, documents, and media used throughout your storefront. Blog posts, product pages, and themes. Let's begin by directing your attention to the left panel of your Shopify admin page, where you'll see the option labeled Content. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've done this, you'll notice an option called Files. Select that, and it will take you to a dedicated section where all your uploaded files are neatly listed. This is essentially your hub for managing any files you're using on your Shopify site. Once you're in the File section, you'll see a list laid out before you. This list includes all the files you've uploaded. Here, you have the ability to interact with each file individually. Clicking on a specific file will open the file or image viewer. This viewer is a valuable tool, providing a variety of options to edit or manage each file. For instance, you can rename the file if needed, which can be especially helpful for organization or clarity. Additionally, you have the option to add alt text. Alt text is crucial as it helps improve your site's accessibility and SEO, making it easier for search engines to find your content. If you ever need a copy of the file, downloading it is just a click away too. A quick bonus tip: when naming your files, use clear descriptive names. Avoid random numbers or characters. Search engines and accessibility tools appreciate clarity, and this small habit makes your workspace far more organized in the long run. Moreover, the image viewer isn't just about basic management. It allows you to make simple edits as well. You can crop, transform, resize, or draw on files directly within the viewer. These editing features might be all you need for quick, minor adjustments without having to switch between multiple tools or platforms. While these editing tools are handy, keep in mind that Shopify's editor is best for light edits. It's always a good idea to handle major edits on a graphic design platform before uploading. Now let's talk about handling multiple files. You'll notice that each file has a checkbox beside it. Checking these allows you to select multiple files at once, providing a handy way to manage larger amounts of content. Once selected, you have the ability to delete them all at once, streamlining the process and saving you valuable time. This bulk action tool is especially useful during seasonal updates or when refreshing product photos. Adding new files is equally simple. If you look towards the top right of the screen, you'll see the Upload Files button. Next to this, there's a small caret icon. Clicking on this gives you an option to upload from your R. This feature is particularly useful if you have files stored online that you want to use in your Shopify store, enabling you to import them directly without having to download them onto your device first. This can be a major time saver if you work with cloud storage platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll become adept at managing your files on Shopify, creating a smoother, more efficient workflow for your online store. Remember, the key to mastering Shopify or any platform is practice and familiarity, so don't hesitate to explore these features further to discover how they can best serve your needs. To wrap things up, file organization plays a huge role in maintaining a fast, efficient, professional-looking storefront. Keeping your media library clean ensures faster loading times, better SEO, and smoother updates across your website. If you'd like a complete tutorial on image optimization, file compression tools, or Shopify theme media best practices, let me know in the comments.